Listen, listen. What's that sound? And it's getting louder and louder. Oh, look, friends. It's the farmer's tractor. Beep, beep. The friendly farmer has arrived, bringing the adorable animals in his trailer.
Hey, I'm Old MacDonald. Ready for some fun? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some animals, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow! Hello, Mr. Farmer. Hi.
MacDonald.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Farmer. How's everything on the farm today? Hello, my young friends. I'm thrilled to have you here on the farm. Shall we see who is in the trailer, Mr. Farmer? Yes? Yes! Let's have a look. Here is a brown horse. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh goes the horse. Neigh, neigh. Oh, and here is a brown horse. It's a horse. Yes, it's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. A brown horse is right here for you. Hello. Hi. The horse goes neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh. Can you say neigh, neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh. Let's try once again. Neigh, neigh. You are doing great, little friends. Have a lovely day, horse. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Next up, a friendly cow awaited. Here is a cow. Moo, moo goes the cow. Moo, moo. It's a cow. Moo, moo. Oh, moo, moo goes the cow. And here is black and white cow. Hello, cow. Hi. Hi. It's a cow. It's a cow. Look, black and white cow is right here for you. And the cow goes moo, moo. Moo, moo. Can you say moo, moo like a cow? Moo, moo. And again, moo, moo. Well done, friends. Oh, bye-bye, cow. We'll see you later. Have a very lovely day. Bye. Next is the fluffy sheep. Look, here is the sheep. Hello, dear sheep. Baba, says the sheep. Baba. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And here is the fluffy sheep friend. Sheep. Sheep says a soft Baba. The sheep goes Ba-ba. Let's try saying ba-ba like a sheep all together. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. Great job. Hello, sheep. Happy to see you on our adventure. Have a good day, little sheep. Bye-bye. See you later. And here is a funny pink pig. Oink, oink goes the pig. Oink, oink. Here is the pig. It's a pig. Oh, look, here is the pig. Woo, rolling in the mud. Hi, pig. Hello. 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 Happy to see you here on the farm. Pigs love to roll in the mud to keep cool. Yes. Oh, the pig is waving. Waving. Hi. Hi. Oink, oink goes the pig. The pig says, oink, oink. Can you say oink, oink once again, like a pig?
Yes.
Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Great job. Pigs love playing in the mud on the farm. Play, play, play. Let's say bye-bye, piggy friend. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oink, oink. One more friend to go. And it's our feathered friend, the hen. Look, here it is. Hello, dear hen. Hi, how are you today? Goes the hen. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, look, who is here for you? Buck, 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 buck. Here is our feathered friend, hen. Hen. It's a hen. Hen. This hen is living here on the farm, inside the barn, in her cozy nest. You may wave your hand to say hi, hen. Hello. Oh, the hen is waving too. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Hello, hen. How are you today? Buck, 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 says the hen. Do you want to try saying buck, buck like a hen? Buck, 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 buck. That's so funny. Buck, buck. Let's wave goodbye to the farmer now and all the animals. Bye-bye, friendly farmer. Bye-bye, animals. Have a very lovely day. See you later.